One of the best approaches when you have a word problem is to draw a picture. No matter what, you'll be experiencing this from here forward. Draw a picture to get a concept of what's going on in the problem. Mahala is standing and fishing on a dock that is, well, let's just say a certain number of feet above the surface of the water in the pond. So here we have a dock, and here we have water. So she's a certain number of feet. We don't know exactly what that number is. We just know it's a certain number of feet above the water. Her baited hook is 1.5 feet below the surface of the water. And so if we let this line here, this number line here going horizontally here, we let that represent 0. And each one of these ticks marked here is, well, actually is 0.5. So it's 0.5, 1, and then 1.5. We'll see that her fish hook is right here at 1.5 feet below the surface of the water. This is the surface, and this would be the hook going 1.5 feet. Okay, the surface of the water is represented by the rational number 0, which we place right there, and use the number line to graph the distance, the dot point D. And so here's the dot here, and that distance here is D. Okay, point D is above the water, which it is, and we got it above the water. And then the hook point H is below the water. Make sure you label each point. So we have the hook H below the water, and then we got the D, the dot is above the water. That's it. That's all you're doing is graphing to set up any sort of problem that you're going to approach. You've got it graphed out here. So D is this point here on the dock, and then H is this point here below the water. The surface of the water here is this horizontal line.